Almost 11 years ago now, my husband Rod and I were given the heartbreaking news that our beautiful little girl had developed a large malignant brain tumour, 1/3 the size of her brain. She was only 11 months old at the time. Our world turned upside down and our life became one of tests, surgeries, chemotherapy, transfusions, MRIs and many ambulance trips. She was physically exhausted, especially when her little body just wasn't responding to treatment at times.
Charlie was treated many years ago for ependymoma and she's done extremely well. But what her parents always knew was that if her tumour came back, there would be no options. Ependymoma is one of the types of brain tumours that we see in children. It's a brain tumour that grows in the fluid that occurs in the middle of the brain, and it can be a very aggressive tumour. The standard treatment for ependymoma is surgery and then radiation therapy, which works in most children, but the big problem we have with ependymoma is if it comes back or if it relapses after standard therapy, and then it's very, very difficult to treat, and in most cases it's actually incurable. It's devastating, and that's really why we need new drugs, new treatments. So we're doing this trial for children with ependymoma, supported with the Kids with Cancer Foundation, and basically we're taking a new formulation of an old drug that makes it work better and with less side effects. And what we've found, together with our collaborators overseas, is that this drug is very, very potent against ependymoma. In fact, out of thousands of drugs screened, it seems to be one of the most effective. So what we're really hoping is that we can take this drug and give it to children who actually at the moment don't have any other treatments available to them. This is a world first trial. These will be the first children in the world to receive this drug. Australia will really be leading the way in testing this drug and in ependymoma research, and what we're hoping is that if we can show in this small trial that we're starting to see some benefit, we'll then be taking it internationally and working with our colleagues around the world to start offering this to children, from all different countries around the world. Without the support from the Kids with Cancer Foundation, we would not be able to do this trial, we would not be able to do this research. We wouldn't be where we are today, we wouldn't be thinking about changing the paradigm for these children.
I guess for me there's two hopes. One is that Charlotte lives a beautiful, happy life that I've experienced, the same with my husband and for all the kids here. But I think secondly is that the treatment that we have for these children continues to improve, that we're able to have the targeted therapies that the doctors know we need, and that can only happen with people's generosity.